Welcome to my CAD Tutor Revit Architecture Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to place the door and window in a wall. To place a door, go to the Architecture tab, Build panel and click on Door. Or simply you can use short key DR from your keyboard. For door size, use Type Selector in Properties palette. These are the standard sizes. If you want to customize them, go to Edit Type and here you can change the different parameters. For instance, height and width. And now, simply show your mouse over the wall to place the door. After placing the door, you can see there is two swapping option by which you can swipe the door opening and hang side. Just like I am doing on the screen. If you want more type of door, just click on Load Family option and find the folder, open it. Choose one, which you want to use in your project and press Open. Here you may select all the size, and press OK. Use Type Selector to choose the size and place the door over the wall. And you can also manage the reference dimensions by selecting the door. Click on the text you want to update and change the value. You can do the same procedure to place the window. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos.